guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, it is the 31st of August and it is the last day of the tourist season. So we love our tourists. We love our tourists. We have B&Bs. We're in the hospitality business. However, Scalea in summer swells from 11,000 people up to about 80,000 people. So you can imagine the restaurants are packed, the B&Bs are packed, the streets are packed, the beaches are packed. And I will be honest with you, our cute guys that work for the municipality cannot keep up with the trash collection. They do their best. They really do a very good job in the areas where it's well policed and stuff. And sad to say that not everybody that comes down here is super, how can I say, super responsible or super respectful. That said, it's so lovely when it turns into fall and our beautiful little town returns to itself. So I just pulled up at this mancheleria. I'm actually going to go in and see Yvonne today, but this mancheleria has takeout stuff, so I'm going to go see what they have and maybe get a sandwich to go. One of the things you have to notice is that these stripes on the road are blue. I don't know if you can see that, but the blue you have to pay. So you can get the Easy Part app, download it, works all over Italy, and it makes parking so much easier. You just get on the app, you put your car in, and you set it up and you pay. It's really nice. So I'm going to give you a picture of that so you can see what it looks like. Okay, score. They didn't have the plates because I think it's probably the end of the season. But I was down there and a little lady said, "You want eggs?" Because they didn't have eggs. And I said, "Yeah." And she goes, "Oh, I have fresh eggs." She went upstairs. I guess they have chickens in the country. So she went up and got me 6 eggs, which I really needed. And they're fresh from the chicken. And I got some sausages for lunch. So I'm going to head on out and go make those. But I have to say, you know, considering the fact that this place really swells to so many people, the garbage collectors have really been on top of it. It looks very clean. I'm so happy to see that. Our guys are the best. Anyway, there you are. That's what it's like living in a little coastal town on the coast of Calabria in summer.